German engineering meets sustainable public infrastructure. Discover how Vulcan is transforming water treatment in the public sector. Hillingdon London Borough Council in the United Kingdom is committed to reducing its environmental footprint while improving operational efficiency across its facilities. To support its sustainability goals, the council needed a solution for limescale and corrosion. Limescale buildup was affecting pipes and equipment, increasing operational costs. Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits. The eco-friendly Vulcan technology works without salt, chemicals, or magnetism, protecting both the equipment and the environment. Hillingdon Council installed the Vulcan Descaler system across its facilities. As part of its commitment to sustainable infrastructure management, the system helps prevent limescale buildup, improve efficiency, extend the lifespan of plumbing systems and equipment, and reduce maintenance costs. Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Please contact us for a free Vulcan trial unit at cwt-vulcan.com.